Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, so this is Max & Sons Parfum again, and we are here to unbox the Issey Miyake wood. As you can see here, Issey Miyake for Homme, okay, wood, and this is 100 ml bottle, okay, UD Parfum Intense. As you can see here at the bottom of the box, it says UD Parfum Intense 100 ml. So usually the Issey Miyake, the original one, is 125 ml, but this edition of the wood Issey Miyake is 100 ml only. So this is the bottom of the box, as you can see. So it has cover with the plastic coating. Usually brand new perfumes like this usually covered in plastic coating, as you can see here. So it has also description here, all right, in French. I think this is in French, and the strength of the wood, a double concentration, it says here, a double concentration of cedar wood and sandalwood, offset by the fresh tang of grapefruit note. So as you can see, you can imagine how it smells, the Issey Miyake, okay. All right, so as you can see now, this is how it looks. All right, okay, let me focus it like this. So that is how it looks like. So we are going now to remove the plastic wrappings from the top like this, okay. As you can see, we remove the plastic wrappings and we can easily remove now. So before we proceed, the main accords of this Issey Miyake wood is woody, aromatic, citrus, warm and spicy, amber, powdery, and fruity. So these are the main accords of this, Issey Miyake, a wood. All right, so it is best for winter wear, also spring, summer is okay, and fall, and we can wear this one during the day and night, occasionally at night time. So the Issey Miyake for Homme wood is a woody fragrance for men. This is a new fragrance from Issey Miyake actually, and it was launched in 2019. So it's what launched in 2019. The top notes are grapefruit. We have elemi, cardamom. The middle notes are apricot, ambroxan. Usually found in like the ambroxan is usually found in Dior's buds. We have the Virginian cedar, sandalwood. Base notes are woody notes, Haitian vetiver, and patchouli. So you can imagine now how it smells like. So the base is wood, so technically it smells like woody perfume. Okay, so in here we also have some of the things that you need to know. These are the things that you need to know, and we are going to unbox now inside the box. Okay, as you can see, like this. Ooh, okay, and this is how it looks like inside the box. Okay, all right, and we open here like this. Look at that, okay. Okay, so you can see, all right, you can see that is the bottle. The cup is like a wood, like a slab of wood like this, and if you put the pressure like this, you can hear it's really wood. It's not a plastic, it's wood actually. So you can see here it is designed like unique design, and it's quite amazing because it's wood. So they crafted it like artistically as described. So this is the bottle, and this is the cup, and as you can see, this is the bottom of the bottle. So there are, you know, engravings here that it says made in France. Okay, so you can see made in France, Paris, and Eau de Parfum Intense. It's written there. So the code, the BVI code and the BATS code is amazingly engraved into the bottle. Right? Okay, and this is the front. So it's time for us to test how it smells like, and we are going to spray like a little bit. Okay, and oh my god, the smell is so nice. It's so nice. You can smell the wood, yeah, because it's woody, and you can smell the grapefruit, the elemi, the cardamom here, the ambroxan, the sandalwood, the apricot. You can smell literally, and most especially the note, I mean the base note. You can smell it like the woody notes, which and the Haitian vetiver and the patchouli, and you can also get a little bit of from the first spray. You can also get the Virginian cedar that you can smell. So it's nice. It's really nice. Okay, so once again, this is Max and Sons perfume. So if you want to buy this Issey Miyake, you can just message me in my Facebook page, which is Max and Sons perfume. So this is the unboxing of the Issey Miyake wood, as you can see on the box. Alright, in the box I should say, and we put back again the cup, and we are going to put back into the box like this. As you can see, that is a brand new Issey Miyake there, unboxed by Max and Sons perfume. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Have a good one, and see you again later. Bye bye guys.
Thank you for watching Max and Sons perfume. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons perfume. Even the goddess will fall.